The TEA series from TRACO Power consists of 3 unregulated 1-watt DC-DC Z-SIP converters, which are specifically designed to offer a low-cost industrial solution while keeping a high-quality standard. These new series focus on a simple but effective design approach which minimizes component and labor costs and is complemented with a complete automation of the manufacturing process. Available in different package sizes, these converters offer a broad application range in any space and cost-critical application, and are especially suited for high-volume projects where simple but reliable products are needed. The TEA series comes in a Z-SIP 4 or Z-SIP 7 package, has a 5-volt input voltage range, and efficiency of 78%. A 3-year warranty highlights the high quality of this now product. Available in different package sizes, these converters offer a broad application range. With the TEA and the TBA series, TRACO Power is now offering a very competitive product range in any space and cost-critical application. Those DC-DC converters are especially suited for high-volume projects where simple but reliable products are needed.